I'm going to be showing you how to use Lightness skill in Where Winds Meet. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So Lightness skill, which is also the flying and movement abilities work in Where Winds Meet, is really easy. The first thing to unlock them is you must unlock a specific Lightness skill, which is Meteor Flight, which is unlocked by completing the Afterglow quest. So just obtain the Afterglow pendant, and after you've done that, you need to at least reach exploration level 4 in a region, and this gives you Afterglow pendant in Xinghei. So you can just check your level, and once you've done it, once you claim the pendant, you must usually show it to a relevant NPC like Shi Yu Hei in Xinghei to activate the Lightness system. And once you've done that, if you're using PC, you just need to hold space. So this activates the Lightning skill and usually launches you into the air. If you're using a phone, you must have this option right there. So in this way, you can successfully use Lightning skill in Where Winds Meet. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.